This is a video on fractions and it's just an introduction. So 4 things: what is it, what do you need to know, how to do it, application questions. So when I say it's just an introduction, I'm going to talk about fractions of amount, mixed fractions, improper fractions, and converting between one and another. So the very first one, fraction of amount. So let's say you got 4/9 of 45. So your typical way that your teacher might have taught you is you take 45, divide by the bottom, which is 5, then times by the top to get 20. So divide by the denominator, then multiply by the numerator. Or if you think that you're going to forget that way, look at the bottom of 9, draw 9 boxes, take 45 divided by 9, and you get 5. And because you want 4 boxes from the top, you have your answer as 20 when you add these guys together. So next thing is mixed fractions. Well, how is it represented? 3 and 1/3 really means there are 3 whole ones, and 1/3 means here. And for our improper fraction, realistically it's just 10 out of 3. Well, there's 10 of these guys, but there's only a certain amount of boxes that you can fit into. So I'm going to teach you how to actually convert between one to the other. So from here to here, 10 over 3 to equal be 3 and 1/3. Well, how it works is this: if you look at it, 10 of them you can actually fit into 3 into each box with 1 left over. So in this case, 1, 2, and 3 would become the whole 3, and this one will be the 1/3. So obviously there's another way to go about it. You want to see how many of the denominator fits the numerator. So how much of the 3 fits into the 10. In this case, the maximum is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. We write that number on the side, and then afterwards we write the remainder on the top. Okay, what about going back the other way then? Well, from a mixed to improper, what we do is we go 3 times 3 to be 9. We then add the 1, become 10, and we write the denominator to be the same. So multiply the denominator by the number on the side, then add that number to the numerator, and that's it. Here's some questions. Pause if you'd like to have a go. Okay, here are the answers. For the very first one, what is 4/5 of 450? Again, same thing. You could do a ratio or you could just do a divide, but same idea. 450 divided by 5, you get 90, and because you want 4 of them, times by 4, you get 360. The second one, 3/7 of 287, same idea, 7 boxes, 287 divided by 7, and then we want 3 boxes, and we get the answer as 123. For here, convert mixed into improper. Like I said before, you take 5 times the 4 and add the top to get 23, and over the same denominator. Same thing for here, 7 times the 5, add the 3, we get 38 over 7. And for the last one, converting improper fractions into mixed fractions. We want to see how many 4's, or the denominator, go into the top of the numerator. In this case, 4 times 2 gives us 8, so we know that it goes in 2 times with a remainder of 3 and the same denominator. Same thing for here. We want to see how many 3's go into 32, and the maximum happens to be 10 with a remainder of 2, and it'll still be over 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, just leave a comment. Thank you.